This is a follow-on video of other YouTube techniques to fix this problem. Now here I've drilled 2 holes and threaded it through because this ball busted through the plastic and came loose. And so the other side shows how the wire is cinching tight that ball. When this cable came loose, it broke the tab that was here on this piece of plastic. Now the other videos show how to fix this. This is just the tab that broke off, and I took some rigid wire and made a little containment device so that it wouldn't slip off of this curve. Now when this slipped off, this popped up and the spool under here came loose and the wire was everywhere. So I took some channel locks, straightened out the kinks in the cable, and set about to redo it. Now the best way to restring it, because the cable is real tight, is to move this up to the top, given the maximum length of the cable on this black end. Stick this blue thing in here with the spring, load the cable onto the spool, and wind it up on the bottom side is about 3 turns, 3 or 4. Then with most of the cable on this other end taken up here, you only have about 3/4 of a turn. So right here is where this ball is inserted. Now the ball has to be inserted up at the very top of that spool to give you the maximum length. You can't lose any length where the ball joins here. And you just wrap this top one around here, and then you'll come to this part. This covers off. It's not like this. It's open. So this little ferrule fits in there. Here it's open, and you put the ferrule in like this because you don't have much cable. It's really tight, and then you leverage it this way to get extra pull so that it'll fit in here, and then you put your spring in, and that'll load this thing back together after you've fixed these broken pieces. I hope this helps.